Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a bash script which I have written many months ago, and the purpose of this bash script is to pull down all my configuration from internet, specifically from GitHub, to a newly installed OS on a specific permission or on a different machine, so I can get back my old environment of convenient. Okay, so without further ado, let me get into Emacs, and if I open up the script, software install. Okay, so this is an ordinary bash script which basically pull down the stuff in a newly installed, freshly installed OS. Okay, so I have defined a variable package, and which consists of whatever the package I need on a specific mentioned OS, and it will go ahead and install it. Okay, so this script basically has to be run as root. Okay, so that's the checking, and then you can see I run 4 different distros. Specifically, all of them has got a physical partition on a machine, Gentoo, Debian, Slackware, and Arch. Okay, so according to the selection, it will go ahead and install those package mentioned in the package variable on the top of the script, as you can see, and pull down my dot file from GitHub. Here is the simple git clone, and once it is done, it copies all the dot file under home directory from where probably I'm running this particular script. I built my own terminal. It's a suckless IT for 2 different background color variable, one for Sorise, one for grubbox, and it will pull down the repository and copy the binary to a system designated path, so it can be found all over the system. Likewise, VIMB is a browser based on Vim, which I have been using as my primary browser. So copied the binary from the pulled repository to a system path. Likewise, dmenu is a menu launcher which I have patched it, so it comes along with the 3 different binary: dmenu, dmenu underscore run, and dmenu underscore path. So I put it in a system path so it can be found all over the system. Okay, so and the next section is 4 different if else statement, which basically related to the OS I have selected. So it basically checking against the package manager, if against the emptiness. Okay, if it is present, it is going ahead with the package manager, all the packages I mentioned in the package variable on the top of the script, and install it simply. If anything, finally call the function software install. Okay, so if anything failed by this script, specifically if the package name is quite different on different distribution, if for my case I write it for my own purpose, to solve own purpose, your purpose could be quite different. So I'll give the description, I'll give the link of this particular script in the description section below, so you can pull it down, change it, chop it, use it according to your environment. Okay, so it works for me, so that is why I'm showing it to you. So you might take a cue and build of your own. Okay, so the principle is very simple. I spend most of my time on Gentoo and Slackware, and rarely on Debian and Arch. So if something working on Gentoo and Slackware, I'm perfectly alright with that. Your case could be different. Okay, so build it according to that. So this is an absolute ordinary bash script which does the trick for me. If you have a better idea, do let me know in the comment section, so I can come to know what you are trying to accomplish with this. Okay, I probably adapt it. So if I find your ideas are elegant enough or better enough, so in a hope that it will help some people. Thanks for watching.